Love is patient. Love is kind. Love does not envy. Love is not boastful. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice in wrongdoing, but it rejoices in the truth. Love bears all things. Love believes all things. Love hopes all things. Love endures all things.
Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful.
Asked what was Kendall and Dom's first impression of Chris and how has that changed over time? Kendall said, "You were really nice, you brought us donuts. But now you're really annoying, gross, you stink. You just poop way too much and you sing so loud in the morning."
When the wind moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say. So don't look back.
I just want you to know how much we all love and support you. Marrying someone with children takes a special type of man. Your type of love is the rarest. It's not an automatic type of love, it's optional, which is why it's so special.